And of course, mammals. We hiccups too. But mammals that like animals like dogs or cats also hiccups. They drink milk from their mother. But they get to burps, burp out. It's a way to get rid of extra air. And this is like very, very hard for the baby to drink milk when they burp. It's not painful, it's very annoying and hard. And so they have to burp out. So they don't get annoyed when they drink milk. It's a way to get rid of extra air, And maybe hiccup is a common or a special way to burp out. But they know that amphibians also hiccups too. They learned something, amphibians. There are two ways for amphibians to breathe. One way, they go out to the water to breathe in the air, or second way, most common for babies. And it is very, very hard for adults to breathe in the water because they're adults now, they are grown-ups. And babies use gills to breathe in the air. To breathe in the water. The last but not least I want to talk about is getting rid of hiccups. You will be annoyed but not painful when you get hiccups. Getting rid of hiccups is another mystery. Everyone has their own cures. But sometimes it just doesn't work. Maybe it worked last week, but it doesn't work today or tomorrow or even next week. It is unpredictable because your body can learn the trick. The first way is changing your breathing patterns. You can hold your breath for about 1 minute or 30 seconds, or breathe in a paper bag. When there is carbon dioxide in the air that you breathe in, your body may forget about the hiccups, and it will have to work harder to punch or push all the carbon dioxide out, or you will die. And you can learn tricky tricks, like the water trick. When you have a cup of water and you drink on the other side of the glass. So this is harder to swallow or breathe in and swallow the water. So your body will get confused. They're confused and they have to work out a way that can swallow the water. And it can forget the hiccups for a while. Maybe the scary trick can work too. When you're scared, you can be forgotten with the hiccups, and the hiccups are all gone. That's all about my video today. Thank you for listening and goodbye. See you next time.